Welcome to Crypto and Stock. My name is Hugo and I'm the host for this channel. I really appreciate that you guys coming back and watching my videos. And please, if not asking too much, subscribe, like, put a comment. It helps a lot. YouTube love when people do that. And as you can see, it's a little different today, right? Light is it's because I'm recording during the daytime and usually record around 4 or 5 in the morning. Today is a little bit later in the day, so the sun's up, so I'm using a lot of natural light, and I do have other lights there, a little bit artificial lights, and I do have a glare on my glass, so forgive me about that. I'm working on getting my studio ready. So today we're gonna talk about the Metaverse. Metaverse is where I'm putting my money because I like those coins. But before we talk about that, let me remind you, I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just a guy like you. I just believe that I did some studies and I believe these coins will increase in price in the next few years. So if you're here to make some quick buck, it's not gonna happen. These are years, like maybe 2030. That's when, like 9-10 years, when this coins is gonna make me a lot of money, I hope. But again, I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just a normal guy, so do not invest just because I'm telling you to invest or because I'm talking about this coin. Do your study and talk to a professional financial advisor. Okay, let's start with, suddenly, my channel. Please watch my videos. I really appreciate that. Cryptomarkcap. That's the website usually I go for my cryptocurrencies. Why do I go here? Because it has all the cryptos. From Bitcoin to Ethereum to Solana, Cardano, Shiba Inu. Ooh, it dropped to 29. Didn't see that come. Crypto.com and many others. You have like thousands and thousands. So if you go to CoinMarketCap, you can see all this. But today we're gonna talk a little bit. Let's start with the Bitcoin and then we're gonna go to the Metaverse. But Bitcoin, the last few days, how it's doing? It's like not doing good. Okay, in the last 7 days, look at that. It went from 46,000 down all the way down to 41. It's like 41,797 right now. Do I think it's gonna drop more? It all depends on the feds and the fear in the market. Remember, cryptocurrency is fragile. It's speculation. So people will take their money out, especially when you see a drop like this. In one day. People are like, oh, I'm out of here. You went from like January 5th from 46 to January 6th, let's see, and the next day is 43. You lost $3,000 just in one day. A lot of the retail people are gonna just bounce out of there. But remember, let's go back to March of 2020. That's when I bought my first Bitcoin. March, actually it was around this area. That's when I bought Bitcoin for $6,400. Right now is how much? So do I think it's gonna drop this much? No. Do I think it's gonna go down to the 30th? Probably. It's all depend of the feds. But right now we are sitting 41,000. What about Ethereum? Ethereum as well is not doing that great today. It's down to 3,100, almost 3,200. It's oh no. So last 7 days lost a lot, came from green to red. But again, let's go back to March of 2020. Look how much I paid on Ethereum. March, I pay a little bit more than that, but I bought in April. But it was $150 and now it's $3,000. That's a great gain. It is a great gain. So is the Ethereum gonna lose 90%? If it loses, I'll buy more. That's what I will do. I'll buy more. Let's go to the metaverse now. That's what we're talking about, right? So there's many coins that live on the metaverse. Of course, my favorite one's gonna be these three ones. I have 4 different coins. That's gonna be Mana, Sandy, Axie, and Engine. Engine, I don't have that much. I don't know if how much I wanna grow on this position, but these 3 ones here, I dollar average costs every week. I buy every week. No question. I don't care if I buy $20, $30, $50 each one of them. I just put a little bit of money every week. You know, it might be $25 one week, might be $100 the other week. And the price that it is, I bought Mana on the $5, and I think it's gonna grow more and more and more. You know, it's like just a really quick. It's like the token's price could rally near to 140% in 2022. As WoW investor analysts predict that Mana could trade around $8. So if you buy now for $3 and you make like $140%, not bad investment, right? Metaverse, Metaverse market it's worth 21.91 billion in 2020, and it's predicted to grow to the $1 trillion. It's right here. The market opportunity for bringing the metaverse to life may be worth over 1 trillion annual revenue. That came from Epic Games CEO Tim Sweeney. He's a smart guy, I do believe it. I agree. How people gonna make money in metaverse? Why it's gonna be worth so much? I'll tell how you can make money. Playing games. There's people in Africa that play game and make more than the average that the people make in Africa in salary just playing the game on Sandbox. Online shopping, yes. Online party and concert. Justin Bieber put a concert that was on the Decentraland, man. There was a festival, a 4 days festival with more than 80 artists, and they're gonna do another one next year. And you're gonna have people like right now everything's for free, but it's gonna have time that people is gonna have to pay for, and they're gonna pay because the kids like my daughter play Minecraft or Roblox nonstop, and she's like right there on the iPad. Here's her iPad, and she goes like and she went buy some like clothes, and she has a house, and she decorate her house. She's only 6. Yes, and she plays, and I look there like I cannot even understand how it works. But this generation will do a lot of this like virtual thing. It's gonna be the thing for them. Snoop Dogg just bought on Sandbox. He bought a land, and the people are paying like almost $500,000 for the land near where he bought it. So just because he lives there, and they're gonna have a traffic, so become a real estate. It's like you buy a place in Fifth Avenue or anywhere around Central Park in New York. It's gonna cost a lot more than if you go to the vast areas. I'm gonna make a video about each one of these coins. I'm gonna make one video in the future about the Decentraland. I'm gonna make about the Sandbox, about Axis Infinity, and I want to go really into each one of them so I can explain to you guys. Another way that people are gonna make money is like you buy that plot of land and you can rent it out to someone that cannot pay for the whole amount, so they rent for a month or two, like any rental. What else? E-commerce. Yeah, Adidas just bought some advertisement in some of the metaverse space. art galleries. Snoop Dogg is saying that inside his plot, he's gonna do an art gallery that people can go there and buy his NFTs or just go there to look his NFTs. So you're gonna put it probably those goggles and walk around, and you're gonna see and turn. It's actually pretty cool, you know. It's like, I don't know how it's gonna be exactly, and it's not gonna happen in the next 6 months. But 10 years down the road, yeah, we might. I'm thinking about buying the Oculus game because it feels so much cooler than just to watch a big screen TV. And you're gonna be able to promote your business with advertisement like Adidas is doing. So let's talk a little bit about Mana. Mana is running at $3.11. In my opinion, that's cheap. I'm gonna buy some on Monday. 7 days have not lost much, but it has lost some. And in the last 3 months, you see that, was 80 cents. If you had bought back in October, you more than triple your money. Isn't that crazy? Like, if you have, like, remember back here in November 25th, I bought around November I bought in the low, yeah, probably around 506. But I bought down in the 2s, I bought in the 3s, I bought in the 5s, and I'm gonna buy again on the 3 because I want to lower my average cost. It's low right now. I like it. So a lot of improvement has done. Let's talk about the Sandbox. Sandbox, I think it might be the top one. $4.88 is a steal. If you see in the last 7 days, like any cryptocurrency in the last 7 days got destroyed. The last month, I'll say, like not the month, but the last 7 days got destroyed. Sandbox have not lost much. It was 535 and now it's 490, so not much of a loss, but there's some loss. But if you think about 3 months ago, had bought in October, was 80 cents, $5 now. That's almost like 5 times your money, and more than 5 times your money. So, but can you go back? No. Would you buy right now? It's up to you. I'm gonna buy, and every week I'll buy a little bit. The last one I'm gonna talk about, X Infinity. Had great games. $73. That's I still, in my point of view. 7 days ago was running on the 90s. A month ago was $110. I bought on the 90s a lot. So, am I gonna buy again on the 70s? I have no question that I'm gonna buy more. I might not even wait until Monday. I might buy today, because we'll see. It's, as you can see, the Metaverse is in discount right now. My opinion, Metaverse is in discount. Anything you buy right now, you get in a discount price. But we never know. Cryptocurrency is a speculation, so it's kind of scary sometimes to invest there. It can fluctuate from 10-20% in one day, easily up or down. So never invest more than what are you willing to lose. We just hope that we're gonna make a lot of money. So today is a quick video. I don't want to go too much in detail. I just want to put something out. I will get more details in the next video. Thank you so much for watching my video. Please subscribe. Put a comment. Tell me how I'm doing. Like, am I getting better? Am I more comfortable? It is really hard to talk to a camera, but I'm trying my best to get better and better with each video. I'm building a studio in one of my rooms here, and I hope it's gonna have a better lights, better design. I just want to make it look a little bit better. But again, thank you so much, and I hope you have a wonderful day. Continue investing, because 30 years down the road, you're gonna be glad that you put not even $10 a week in some type of investment. If it's not crypto, stocks, but put some money down, save some money for the future, okay? Thank you so much. You have a great day, and I'll see you guys next time.